So welcome back into a new Weird Word channel video. So today we have a little experiment to do. I show you. We have some sunflower oil, some vinegar, some water, colors, the watercolors, no, maybe something else. And we have this test tube, and I thought, what if we just do something like a little lava lamp thing? I mean, we can just try. It's super simple and easy, so stay there. So, first of all, I think we have to add a little bit of oil. Will it be dirty? I don't know, but let's try. Oops. So, try to be precise. Not more. I think it's a little bit too much, but okay. And then a little bit of vinegar. That's good. That's good. A little bit more. Oh, good. And then, tastes like salad. Smells like. Tastes, I don't know. Then we just add a little bit of colors. So I would say green. One, two, three. Ooh, woo woo. Okay, it works. Something is going on. I just tried to mixy a little bit, and we obtain this little jelly here thing. Interesting. So I just wanted to try to add the water and then a second color with the water. Oh, okay, that's the most difficult part because water here is no, I'll drop it. I'm sure I'll drop it. Wait, have a solution. Haha. Ooh. Slimy, stay there. This seems better because, you know, you can just squeeze a little bit and then we have less water around. And I can do a hair. So no drops. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Wait a minute. Do we like it? I mean, way. Yes, that's the result I wanted to see. Do you want to try to add a little bit of color? I mean, just like blue or something like that? Yeah, that's right. Stop water. Everything away from the view so you can see what happens. Oh, I think blue is better because it's not red and okay. And it could just become turquoise or something like that, so 1 drop. Okay, we have 1 drop of blue. Nothing happens for now. Okay, something is going on here. Seems that little pieces, little blue bubbles came out. Ooh. See? What if we add also a little bit of red? Ooh. I think we should. Let's see. 1 drop too. Wait. It doesn't want to get open. Wait a minute. Oh, come on, the video is not how to open a little jar that's stuck. Oh, it opened. Okay, thank you. Oh, it comes out. You just need to be careful and keep it. Oh, you see, the water came blue. No, I think I don't want to add. Or yes, just 1 little drop. But it seems so aquarium-like. Oh, I don't know. Should we just try? Okay, we do it. Okay. My hands are all colored. Color it. Okay. Perfect. The little drop is there. Nothing happens for now. You sit there and look, okay? Come a little bit closer and you'll see. So there we are, look at it. It's going around, look. It's beautiful. Oh, you see a little bit of purple. Whoa. We have to do something so we can see it. And I thought I could just do something. And that's it. Yeah. Stay here, you're safe. Sorry, it took a little bit. We just close the colors because it's dangerous to leave them here. So, and then up. So, and then you just okay, let's have a look at the final result, and I'll just show you how it came out. Thank you for watching, and if you did like the video, just subscribe and comment down below if you have something to say. So, bye!